Aries, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is from 16 to 31st of July 2020. Yeah, guys. And thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments, for your love on my channel. If you guys are new, please subscribe. It helps me a lot. And I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So yeah, Aries, let's start your reading. This is for the Aries people from 16 to 31st of July. So let's see what is coming for you guys. Cards are like jumping out. And yeah, guys, if you guys are wondering that which deck I'm using, so I am using this Good Tarot deck. Okay, so this is the deck I'm using. Okay, so yeah, let's start your reading. This is for the Aries people, and you can find it on any online website. You can shop it, okay, online. So yeah, this is for the Aries people from 16 to 31st of July. So yeah, Aries, let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Aries. I hope you can see the cards now. Okay, so yeah, Page of Swords. This is your overall energy. Okay, Chariot. Wow, maybe some of you are dealing with a Cancer. Moon. Yeah, definitely Cancer, because Cancer is ruled by Moon. So maybe Cancer, Pisces. Okay, Eight of Pentacles. And wow, Sun card. Leo is here too, which is your fellow fire sign. Tower, right in the heart of your spread. Let's see. Ace of Pentacles. Two of Swords. Eight of Swords. Five of Wands. So I hope you can see all the cards in the deck. Okay, I'm feeling that Aries, yeah, bottom of the deck we have Nine of Swords, which is worried, which is, stress, feeling not good, and this is unhealthy. This is unhealthy for you if you are worried, okay, or if you are taking this unnecessary stress. This is useless. If you want to make some decision, then do it. If you don't want to make that decision, which is necessary at that time to make, then universe will make that for you. Yeah, okay. I'm feeling that Aries, someone is watching you, or this is you are finding some kind of answers or some kind of knowledge to move forward in your life, because you have to make some kind of decision with the Two of Swords here, but you are continuously not seeing that. You're ignoring that because you think that you are stuck, but you are not stuck. I'm feeling that you are stuck in the old traditions with the Eight of Swords energy, and you are also very busy to satisfy the other people's, not yourself, because this is Five of Wands. So you are this is the vibe I'm getting, like you are a people pleaser. Don't be like that, because first of all you have to make sure that you are complete within yourself, and when you are complete, you don't give an F whatever who is thinking about you, whoever is thinking about you. You don't give an F. It's your life, it's your energy, okay? And I'm feeling that there is a decision coming your way and you are not making it. That's why universe is making that for you. This is for some of you. So let's see. With the Chariot, Moon, and Eight of Pentacles, I'm feeling that there is a person, maybe a Cancer, who want to work things out with you, but you are having a little bit fear in yourself, that it can be reversed. Okay, so you can switch the roles. If this is not you who is fearful, then must be your person. They want to move forward with you, they want to work things out with you, but they have some fears. With the Moon card, you can see this. They have some fears about something which was not told before in the past, but now it has to be speak out. Like you have to speak, or they have to tell you about that thing or that situation or that secret. Okay, because it is necessary for the growth of yours, for both of yours. I'm feeling the person really want to work things out with you, but they have some fears around this situation with you. With the Sun, Tower and the Ace of Pentacles, I'm feeling that definitely something big, beautiful is coming your way, because we have Sun and the Ace of Pentacles, and we know that Ace of Pentacles is the minor arcana of the Sun in the tarot. So both we have major Sun and then minor Sun. So definitely something beautiful, something happy is coming your way, and you will feel internal happiness. You will feel inner contentment, emotional stability, because this is also stability. And it will be a sudden thing for you, because I'm feeling that you have asked the universe that give me my happy, and I want to be happy, then give me my happy. And I'm feeling that you are continuously healing yourself, and you are continuously getting some kind of ideas and knowledge about something about yourself. Yeah, I'm feeling that you are working on yourself, which is great, which is very great. With the Two of Swords, Eight of Swords and the Five of Wands, you have to make some kind of decision which will be for your growth, for your betterment. Okay, so you need to make some decision, and yeah, and don't please other people, because it's not your duty. What is the Page of Swords here for the Aries? Ace of Wands. Wow. Two of Cups. Okay, and the Ace of Cups. Wow, Aries, it's beautiful. Definitely something beautiful is coming your way. Yeah, bottom of the deck, see, we have Nine of Pentacles, which is, tell me what is this? What is this? This is the emotional stability. This is your confidence. This is your independence, and you're very happy to be at this place. Stay in this place. Whenever you are in this place, you're attracting a beautiful soulmate who is at your level. Yeah, you're definitely learning about yourself. You're learning from the past mistakes, and you are I'm feeling that paying gratitude to the universe, that thanks universe for those experiences in my life, and you are not regretting that, not at all, because you are in higher vibration energy. And yeah, that's beautiful. It's beautiful. Like you are paying gratitude, and you're saying thank you to the universe, that thanks for those experiences which universe you have brought in my life, and now you're very mature. Wow, it's beautiful. See, now something new, someone new who has passion, who has love for you, they really want to come forward, because you are now in receiving energy, Aries. Beautiful. Okay, what is this Chariot here for the Aries? What is this Chariot? Okay, I just want to clear message please for the Aries. Let's see if the cards are coming again, because I've seen that Ten of Pentacles and the Six of Wands. Ooh, cards are jumping like, wow. High Priestess, Pisces, strong Pisces energy here. Knight of Wands, Two of Pentacles. Okay, see, bottom of the deck, Six of Cups, which is true soulmate, maybe past life soulmates, but yeah, true soulmate. I'm feeling that your intuition is telling you that, yeah, moving forward, move forward. Like your intuition is telling you, come on Aries, go on, don't stop, and go with the flow. And by doing that, you are attracting a beautiful soulmate, maybe another fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. This is the Knight of Wands, and you are not like moving in rushing and something. No, you are not ignoring your surroundings. You are paying attention towards, in your, like, if you're taking some kind of route, you are paying attention to each of the details of your roadside. I hope you can understand. You're also working, and your intuition is very strong with this High Priestess. Yeah, you are right now, like, you have energy of water sign, which is Pisces, and which is very strong intuition. So you're working on your intuition, because I'm feeling that you're following that, and that's why you are moving forward by following your intuition. And intuition is your best friend. That's great. So what is this Moon energy here for the Aries? What is the Moon energy here? Okay, We have Three of Cups for the Moon, and the Six of Pentacles, and the Five of Swords. Okay, and see, bottom of the deck we have Ten of Cups. It's beautiful. Okay, I'm feeling that Aries, yeah, you want to know something about, and maybe that is coming your way, because whenever you are seeking something, that is also seeking you. Wow, it's beautiful. I'm feeling that there is a person who want to come forward, and they are a little bit hesitating because of the other people, because I'm feeling that they want to have that balanced approach towards you, and they don't want to, word I'm searching for, they don't want to make you hesitant. Yeah, they don't want to frighten you because of their emotions, because they have so much emotions for you, so they don't want to make you scare. They don't want to scare you, yeah, because of their emotions, because they have too much emotions for you, and you are a fire person, and they know that you are a go-getter, and yeah, you are an action taker. But there are someone or some people who are not liking this, and they don't like that you are winning, but you are winning. If they like or not, you are winning. So what is this Tower here, right in the heart of your spread for the Aries people? What is the Tower here for the Aries? Two of Wands, Eight of Cups, Ten of Cups. This Ten of Cups really wants to come out. I'm happy. Yeah. Wow. I'm feeling that you're definitely dealing with the water sign, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, because we have King of Cups here, and we have so many Pisces, Cancer energy here. So maybe Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio, and Leo is also here. I'm feeling that this Tower is to decide, you want to move forward towards your happiness, or you want to be stuck, because I'm feeling that you are stuck for a long time. You have been stuck, but you have to come out of this stuckness. You have to overcome this fears of yours, because by doing this you are attracting these beautiful things. You are moving in the right direction, and there is a crossroads coming your way, and you have to take a road which leads to the Ten of Cups. So you are using your intuition, which is great, beautiful. What is this Ace of Pentacles for the Aries? Four of Pentacles. Wow, Wheel of Fortune. Yes. And Nine of Swords. Yeah. Okay. I'm feeling that Aries, there is a beautiful offer coming your way, but you're not looking at it. You are not answering the person. You are holding on. You're holding back. I'm feeling that you are in an energy that I'm holding back. I'm gonna be silent, and the universe will decide whatever. Universe has to decide for me. But you have to speak to the person, because universe is not coming to the earth to tell the higher self is not coming to the earth to tell your person that, yeah, Aries is ready. You have to tell that person. Universe is on your side. Just follow your intuition. Your intuition is telling you the whole truth, actual truth, 100% truth. Follow it and come out of this holding back and stressful situation, because universe is with you. So accept this offer, or if you want to reject this offer, you have to tell, you have to speak. So come out of this Four of Pentacles energy, because this is not good. By holding back, you are making your situation tough for you and stuck for you. What is this Eight of Swords? Strength. Yeah, definitely you have to be strong. Seven of Cups and the Page of Cups. Yeah. Yes, Aries. This is you. You have to be strong, and I'm feeling that you are overcoming that stuckness, and you are trying to gain a higher perspective to make best option, to select the best option for you, which is great. So yeah, Aries, I'm feeling that you are grooming yourself, which is great, and by doing this, by doing that or this, you are attracting a beautiful soulmate who is really truly in love with you, and you will be happy very soon, because universe really wants you to be happy and really wants you to be strong, and you are doing those things. So I hope you can see the cards. These are your beautiful cards. So Sun and the Wheel of Fortune, really beautiful reading for you. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up, and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.